We have been leading this group of stakeholders and also internal stakeholders in Westminster City Council to develop a data springboard. We call it data springboard. It can take and become something else in terms of the name, but it's this agreement, this collaboration on data. We have many people that control data in the area, many organizations that control data in the area, and we're trying to make a project that can deliver a improved sharing protocol on that. The data springboard could achieve in the coming years with these different iterations, different phases, we could have a platform that not just brings benefits and addresses the challenges that we have in the area with the stakeholders in the area, but also we could widespread the benefits to Westminster or other London boroughs, and so the benefits, the challenges, and proof of concept that this is something good and that the communities can benefit from.